Hey, hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn more about YouTube shopping. That is how you can earn from YouTube affiliate partners. So, there are some key criterias for understanding what the YouTube affiliate program is all about. Now, this is first thing is you have to be a part of the YouTube partner program. The basic criteria for being part of IPP is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watchers. To be eligible for the affiliate partner program, you must have at least 10,000 subscribers and be a part of either of these seven countries. You should be based out of US, Korea, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Philippines, India, or Singapore. Your channel should not be a music channel or an official artist channel, and it should not be set as made for kids. These are the basic criteria for the affiliate program. Now that we have understood what the affiliate program is about, let's see how it goes, right? So this is my other channel which is based on travel, and I have some travel podcasts and travel related shorts for this, right? Now over here I have been eligible for the YouTube affiliate program, and based out of India. The YouTube partners over here for the affiliate program are Mintra and Flipkart, which are two of the major e-commerce players. So you can see in this video of mine, wireless mic for this podcast, and that is tagged over here. So you can see if anyone clicks as a viewer on this link and purchases any product from that website, I get a commission, and the commission differs for each product to product. Now, to understand more about it, I will show how it works, right? So if I go to earn and click on shopping, now you can see over here there are many affiliate orders and offers which are over here. You can see up to 15% commission on this Flipkart website, and on Mintra it varies up to 50% depending on what kind of products the end users buy. So that's the kind of commission you can earn if anyone buys. And then there are also contests running from these partners, wherein if you sell more you get maybe a trip to Thailand or Indonesia, right? So those offers are excluding, right? So this part is where I will take you into in this video. Now, just for beginners, I already have a sample video uploaded. I will just open that and showcase what the affiliate uh, checking looks like. So I go in under video elements, and you can see this tab gets enabled tag products once you are post 10,000 subscribers on your channel, right? So I click on edit. Now, either one thing, you can have some saved products, like I have the wireless mic or the earbuds which I generally use for my podcast. I have keep them as saved products which I can directly tag, and basically they can appear directly in the, or you can go to the website. You can search, suppose suppose I want to say that I have shot using some tripod stand, so I just go and mention tripod, right? And sorry. So you can see there are tripod stands which have appeared. Now you can search the brand which are promoted in the video, and then you can just tag it. So you can see the commission appears for each product, how much you will gain as a commission. And once the commission appears once the product is shipped, but it appears as a final revenue or as a final income once the return period for that product is over, right? Till that, the income is not does not reflect in your actual income. It only appears under the revenue tab, right? So this is how you can tag. And one more thing, so if you have the product, that you can also add timestamps. So since this video is less than 1 minute, but in other case you can add timestamp at the exact time when you showcase the product or it's reflecting in the video. You can add the timestamp in the video, and you can click on done, and the video will appear. The video so one thing is in the video it appears over here, and the second is then it takes you down to where you can just click, go to the website and complete your purchase, right? So that is how affiliate partner works. And the key thing is over here there are certain YouTube guidelines which you have to follow about which products you can tag in your video. You can't tag anything and everything. It should be a product which it's prominent in your video and on display, right? So there are some guidelines which I will tag in the video. The official YouTube link you can go through, and then proceed ahead with tagging products once you cross 10,000 subscribers for your channel. So net, if you are if you are into niche of maybe tech products or makeup or skincare, this is basically one of the biggest revenue streams which can be for your channel, more than the ad revenue, right? Because over here you will get direct commission for you, for anyone who is purchasing your products. So do let me know if you have any queries for about YouTube shopping or YouTube affiliate program, and I will try to answer them in the comments, or maybe make another video if it requires one. If you're liking this stuff, do like and share the videos.